Yeah. Motorsport, yeah. Put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop it like a court. POPPIN.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect wand curls. Of course, you're going to need a wand curler. I have it set to 410 degrees. Next thing that you're going to need is a brush or comb, whatever you use to brush out your hair. Either some clips or some hair ties. You need some flexi rods. And you're going to need some oils if your hair is dry. Okay, only use this oil if your hair is dry. Only use this oil if you have curly or wavy hair. You do not want oily hair when you are curling your hair because it's not going to come out right. It's going to come out stringy and it's going to look crazy. So be cautious with the oil. So let's get into it. First, you want to brush your hair. Brush your hair, get them tangles out. Section off one side. Count how many flexi rods you have. Depending on how many flexi rods you have with you or how many you want to use determines the section size. So I'm going to make sure that my section sizes are going to be big enough for the amount of flexi rods I need. So basically it's going to be 4 for each side. Now I want a wig. If you're wondering like why you see all that, I have a wig on and I don't have my combs in. I just have my elastic band on, so that's why you see all that extra hair. So you want to take your section. If you need oil, put your oil on your little section or put it on all this if you need oil, but I don't need oil, so I'm not using the oil. So you're going to take your hair and section it off. So now you're going to take the wand curler, go behind your head, okay? So that the wand can be straight up, not down, not up, it's going to be straight. And you want to take your section and you want to make sure that it's flat. So that is flat. Take it up, bring it back. That is flat. See how flat it is? Now I'm just gonna hold it right here and go back and curl the rest. This hair is really long. It's 24 inches, so all my hair doesn't fit on the wand curler, and that's okay. We're gonna go back and we're gonna curl that piece, and then we're gonna put a flexi rod on it to hold the curl. Hold it for about 20 seconds. You want to go back and curl the end. Take your flexi rod and kind of like go back and wrap it tight. And then secure it. And now you Gucci. So now I'm going to go do the rest of my head off camera, and I'll be back to show you what it all looks like once you got all your wand curlers up. Flow with the flexi rod. And then secure down. Okay, so leave the flexi rods in your hair for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'm going to go and do my makeup and then I'll show you the results. Okay, so this is my makeup. I hope you like it. It was something quick and cute and kind of goes with my army fatigue shirt. So let's take down the curls. Be careful with them. Try to go in the same direction as the curl, but it's easily slide it out like that. Yes, that's what we want. curls so easily, and the curls always come out gorgeous. So you're going to start from the back and the bottom and separate the curls like that. Separate them like that. I hope you see what I'm doing. Take some hair, separate it. Take some hair, separate it. Take some hair, separate it. Take some hair and separate it like that. So I gave y'all all my secrets and my tips and tricks to getting the perfect wand curls. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, my queens, see you later.